Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm one of the owners of Wombwell Emporium, 28 High Street, Wombwell. We started this business a few years ago, 3 years now to be exact, right in the middle of COVID. Very brave of us. We're proud stockists of French chic paint. We sell lots of different types of furniture, giftware, stoneware, ironware. We're always here to help. We've always got a friendly smile. Me and my business partner, we both had separate businesses. We didn't have the footfall and we really wanted to be on the high street. Wombwell is a busy high street. Wombwell people, Barnsley people in particular, really friendly, really nice.
Hi, I'm Dawn, the other owner of Wombwell Emporium, 28 High Street. We upcycle a lot of furniture. Obviously, the French chic is our main supplier. We do have second-hand furniture, which we personally paint. We do get a lot of giftware, some's homemade, which is absolutely fantastic. We do get the furniture from second-hand shops local, so we support the high street, which is always a good thing. Support we've had from Barnsley Council has been really good. I mean, we took the shop on in October 2020, then COVID hit us, which obviously we were devastated, but the support we got was amazing. We couldn't afford a big shop front, but obviously there was grants available at the time, which we was over the moon, and we're forever grateful because the shop does look amazing. Well, I'm a Doncaster girl, so the first thing I couldn't get over was the free parking. Absolutely amazing. People are so friendly. They are spending quite a bit of money on Wombwell. Yeah, it's a good place to be.